Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is powered and on a stable network. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open the Settings app and type Home Screen into the search field to jump straight to relevant options. You want to back up your current layout now, so you can revert if needed, use Cloud Sync or a local backup. Make sure to note any custom widgets or folders. That saves time when reapplying your layout later. Now you'll adjust the layout and content. First, select a grid size. That controls how many icons fit per page, and it affects readability versus density. Next, long press the home screen to add or remove widgets. Drag icons into folders to group similar apps. You should tweak icon size and labels to balance clarity against space. Once you've arranged one page, swipe through to repeat. Consistency makes navigation faster and less distracting. Finish by selecting the default home screen page, so presses of the home button or gesture return you where expected. Then test gestures, shortcut actions, and opening apps from several pages to confirm everything responds. If icons overlap, widgets misbehave, or performance drops, restart the device first. Make sure animations are off for speed. If problems persist, reset the home layout or restore your backup. That usually clears persistent configuration.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.